Priya again. And for today, I have like a sit and talk video, but it's gonna be jam packed with information. Trust me on that, okay? So, if you read the title, you would know that today we're gonna be talking all about top coats. Because if you do your own nails, you would know how important top coat is to protect that 4-5 घंटे का मेहनत of yours, right? So I thought if you're looking for a new top coat or you want to know about top coat, you'll get every information or everything at one place. So I'll make this video for you. So I'm gonna be telling you all about top coats, what all categories of top coats are there, what all top coats I have personally used. We'll start from worst to best, okay? So I'll tell you all about it, like pros, cons, availability, price, why I stopped using a particular top coat, which is my favorite. So if that is something that interests you, then just keep on watching the video. Okay, so starting with my most favorite category. Actually, it's not favorite, it's something that if I have to pick one top coat out of all the categories, then this is the category I'll go for, and that is quick dry top coats. Now, as the name suggests, these particular top coats are designed to quickly dry your polishes or seal in your design, so that if you have a habit like me of banging your hands everywhere and ruining your polish, you won't, okay? So these are a sort of protecting sealants for your design. So I've used quite a few quick dry top coats over the period of 8 years since I've started doing nail art. But the very first ever quick dry top coat I used was from SE. Like using that particular top coat, I realized the power of quick dry top coat. Matlab, it just sucked in all the moisture from my nail polish and sealed it in, and I was good to go anywhere. जबकि मुझे बैठना पड़ता था आधे घंटे अपने हाथों को फूकते हुए कि भाई सूख जाए, एंड SE just did it for me, right? But unfortunately that particular top coat was discontinued, and like after that one bottle I didn't had any way of getting it back. So later on, like I tried more top coats and I do have a favorite, okay? But we're gonna be going from worst to best. So the worst ever quick dry top coat that I've ever tried was from Color FX. Now it retails for 249 rupees and I got it from Amazon. Before we go further, I'll just mention it here that all the links I can find will be down in the description box below. So in case you're looking for something, you can check the description box. Okay, coming back to Color FX ka top coat. So it is for 249. I got it from Amazon. Now let's talk about first pros. Cons में बाद में चलते हैं. So pros की बात करें तो it is quick dry. Like as the name suggests, it does its job perfectly. It dries like quickly. It seal in your design. You're not gonna ruin it if you bang your hand. Okay, anyway. Secondly, the price point, it's bang on. Like 249, it's not much to pay for a quick dry top coat. Okay, available Amazon पे easily available है. Combos भी available है, I believe. So you can easily get it. The brush is good white flat brush with a straight cut tip, so that is also good because top coat अगर अच्छे white flat brush के साथ हो तो लगाना बहुत easy पड़ता है, क्योंकि quick dry top coat है तो सूखने बहुत जल्दी लगता है, right? तो जितने कम strokes में apply हो जाए उतना अच्छा है, तो good brush. Now moving on to the con, and this is the only reason this top coat is the worst top coat in my list, okay? And that is it shrinks the design badly. Like if you apply it over your nail, it's gonna shrink your nail polish like half the nail. It will make your nail polish on half of your nail. So that's the only con that I stopped using this top coat. Otherwise it would have been a good top coat if it didn't shrink the design. So 4 to 1, you decide if it doesn't bother you that your design is getting shrink, which I can't imagine why it won't bother you, but okay. So it's a quick dry top coat. If shrinking you can control, then you can definitely go ahead with this top coat. Moving on to the second top coat that I have in my list is Sally Hansen ka Diamond Shine top coat. Now this is the second quick dry top coat I ever used after SE, because I guess that was the only quick dry top coat available and I loved it. It retailed for 550 rupees and I got it from Nykaa. I believe it's out of stock now, but if I can find the link anywhere, I'll mention it down in the description box below. Starting with the pros, first, it's a very good quick dry top coat. It lives up to its name. It's quick dry, it's diamond shine, like it seals in your design so good that your nails are like diamonds. keep banging it anywhere, it's not gonna ruin your design. Okay, so that's a very good thing. I believe that's the only pro I have for this top coat. The cons are few, and it depends on you if it's a con or a pro for you, or it doesn't matter to you. The first one is, I feel its price, it's a little too much, like 550 for a quick dry top coat, wherein I can get quick dry top coats, good quick dry top coats, half the price. So that is one thing. It's not pretty easily available, like Nykaa पे था, but जैसे मैंने कहा अभी out of stock है, so I don't think so you can get it anywhere. So that's another con for me. And the biggest con for me is the brush. It has a thin round brush, so it makes it like really difficult to apply the top coat over the entire nail quickly. So 1 2 3, you decide whatever you feel, because it's a quick dry top coat. If you can manage with the brush and the price, I believe you can go for it if you can find it anywhere. The third top coat I have for you in this particular category is from Cuccio, their 7-second reactive top coat. Now it retails for 738 rupees and you can get it on Flipkart. Talking about this particular top coat, I have sort of a love-hate relationship with this top coat. मतलब इसके as such कोई cons नहीं है. I'll tell you all about it, but if you can manage it, तो I believe ये एक top coat है which is currently available, which has no cons. The pros first, it dries quickly, as the name suggests, 7 seconds. Yes guys, it dries in 7 seconds, it's that fast. It has a good wide flat brush which makes it really easy to apply the top coat on the entire nail with like less strokes and quickly. Okay, so I have two pros with this, and third, it doesn't shrink your design at all. मतलब shrinkage का कोई चक्कर ही नहीं है. टॉकिंग अबाउट द कॉन्स, प्राइस पॉइंट बहुत स्टीप है मेरे लिए, बिकॉज ये तो सैली हैंसन से भी ज़्यादा है. सेकेंड कॉन, अगेन आई सेड इट्स सब्जेक्टिव. इफ यू कैन मैनेज विथ इट, इट माइट नॉट बी अ कॉन फॉर इट, बट इट ड्राइज very quickly, like 1 2 3, that's all you get, 3 strokes. If you try to go for a fourth stroke to smooth it all out, it's gonna start clumping up on your nails. So yeah, if you can manage applying a top coat that fast, that this might not be a con for you. So yeah, 3 to 2, it's a good top coat. If you can manage the price and you can apply it quickly, then it's a very good top coat. Currently you can definitely go for it. From my side, it's a huge thumbs up. Moving on to the fourth and the last top coat, and it's my absolute favorite, even much better than the Cuccio one. That is Wet n Wild ka Mega Last Hard as Ice top coat. Guys, I love this top coat. I don't know how many bottles I went through when it comes to this top coat. It retails for just 299 rupees, and it was available on Nykaa as well as Amazon, as well as Flipkart, as well as Purple. But currently it's out of stock everywhere. I'm not sure when it's gonna come in stock, but even before jumping into the pros and cons now, I can tell you straight up कि if some of your friends or relatives or anyone is coming back from States, ask them to bring it for you. 2 bottles if you can manage it. It's that good. Now I'll tell you why. Pro, it dries quickly. Like, it's my absolute favorite यार. It has to dry quickly, right? मतलब when I use this top coat now, I can just put it on 5 minutes में I can go to sleep. Bed marks का, smudge होने का कोई issue ही नहीं था इस top coat के साथ. Secondly, it has a wide flat brush with a rounded tip. So it sits really beautifully around your cuticles to give you a very neat application. It retails just for $299, which is a great price for a quick dry top coat. And it doesn't shrink your design at all. I believe the only con I can give you, and that to current situation में, अगर मैं थोड़ा 2 साल पहले वीडियो बना रही होती तो शायद इस टॉप कोट के लिए मेरे पास कोई कॉन नहीं होता. The only con of this product is it's out of stock everywhere. Like, I cannot find it. So that's the only con. But again, if you can get your hands on it, this is the best quick dry top coat in the market. So yes guys, this was all about quick dry top coats. Now it's time to move on to the second category, that is no smudge top coats. So as the name says, no smudge top coats are particularly designed to resist smudging of your design. Yeah. So particularly if you're into stamping, or if you do a lot of vinyls or a lot of designs on your nails, this is one such top coat that will really help you, saves you a lot of headache and heartbreak. Yeah. when I see my design getting smudged now after इतने घंटों का काम, it breaks my heart really. So this is one particular top coat that I would absolutely love to have in my nail art desk or vanity, whatever you want to call it. So I've used two no smudge top coats till date, and they both have been pretty good. थोड़ा 19-20 का फर्क था. So let's dive into it and see what those top coats were. So the first one was from Bon Pitika No Smudge Top Coat. Now this is sort of 90% no smudge, okay? मतलब थोड़ा सा केयरफुली अप्लाई करना पड़ता है, स्टिल 10% का चांस है स्मज होने का. Currently it retails for 400 rupees and you can get it on an Instagram store. I love my polish shop. The pro, I would say it is 90% no smudge, so that's pretty good. Then it has a good white flat brush, तो लगाने को भी easy है. It dries pretty quickly, मतलब not as quickly as quick dry top coats, but fairly well. And it's available also. I believe that's about it. Con will be like 10% no smudge, right? So that will be the only con with this top coat. Now moving on to the second one. The second one is my absolute favorite, okay? That is Moyu London का smudge resistant top coat. If you have seen my Instagram का nail art tutorials now, you would have seen me using this top coat almost in every single of my nail art designs. It's that good. So it's 100% no smudge. You can rub your brush on the design, it's not gonna smudge it. Secondly, the price point is pretty okay when it comes to this particular top coat, because no smudge ऐसे बहुत available नहीं है, तो I'm pretty sure कि no smudge अगर कोई भी बनाएगा तो थोड़ा expensive ही लगेगा. तो it was for 600 rupees, and the brush is pretty good. It's again a white flat brush with a straight cut, and it dries fairly well, like 15 minutes के अंदर it's dry to touch. You can go about it. So these are the 4 pros, right? When it comes to the con, again it's similar as Wet n Wild ka one. It's not available anywhere in India. So again I would say that if some of your relatives or friends coming from states, then ask them to bring it for you. You'll love it. If you're looking for a good no smudge top coat, this is the one for you. So yeah, since it's not available in India, so that's the only con for me. But if you can get your hands on it, just go for it. Don't think, just go for it. Moving on to the third category of top coat. It is not particularly a needed category, but I thought let's just put it out there, and that is glossy top coats. Now the only job these top coats do is provide a shine. They're not quick dry, they're not no smudge, they don't do anything else. Just refresh your manicure and give it a new shine. Like 4-5 दिन का कोई manicure लगाया हो गया and you don't want to change it, you just want a quick shine over it, जो fresh time पे होता है ना जब बनाया, तो you can use these top coats. Now the only good glossy top coat that I ever came across is from Biromt ka gloss top coat, okay? It retails for just 199 rupees. It's available on Amazon. It's available on their official website, which I'll mention down in the description box below. Plus you can also use my code, which is flashing right now on the screen, to get 10% off your entire order only on their official website, okay? So this particular top coat, if I talk about it, it gives a beautiful gloss to your manicure. पुराना manicure भी होगा ना तो उसको ऐसे refresh कर देता है. It has a wide flat brush with a rounded tip, so it sits beautifully near your cuticles to give you a perfect finish. Thirdly, it dries fairly fast. मतलब if you give it 10 minutes now and you let it sit on your nails, it dries to a finish, or it dries to a point where you don't have to bother with a quick dry top coat. It's dried. You're not gonna get any smudging, any bedsheet marks or anything like that. Plus price point is fairly good, 199. It's not much to pay for a top coat that dries fast too, or that dries to a quick, that dries to a good finish and like seal in your design, right? And fifthly, it's fairly available. So I don't have any cons for this at all. So if you want a good glossy top coat, you can definitely check this one out. Moving on to the fourth category, that is matte top coats. Now matte top coats again are a necessity, because if you want a matte finish, you have to have a matte top coat, right? all the top coats we discussed earlier will give you glossy finish. They won't give you matte. मतलब कहीं से कहीं तक matte नहीं मिल सकता. So if you're a fan of matte finish, you have to have matte top coats. Now till date I have used 3 matte top coats. इनमें से कोई वर्स नहीं था. एवरी सिंगल टॉप कोट इज़ ब्यूटिफुल. इन्होंने मुझे जब तक भी मैंने इनके साथ काम किया, जब तक भी मैंने इन्हें यूज़ किया, दे प्रोवाइडेड मी विद अ ग्रेट मैट फिनिश. तो इसमें कोई वर्स टू बेस्ट नहीं है. आई एम जस्ट गॉना बी टेलिंग यू इन ऑर्डर आई हैव यूज्ड देम. So the first one that I used was from Sally Hansen, their big matte top coat. This one, it retailed for, I don't know because it was a gift, but currently it retails for 1000 or 1100 on Amazon. But don't go there because original MRP इतना नहीं है. अगर you can get it somewhere for its original MRP, go for it. It's a beautiful matte top coat. Like it gives you a beautiful matte finish. Like वो पूरी shine निकाल देता है. Pure matte finish you'll get. Again, it has a good wide flat brush. I won't say it's too wide, but it's enough wide that it can cover your nails with few strokes. एंड या इट ड्राइज प्रिटी क्विकली. मतलब प्रिटी क्विकली से मेरा मतलब है दैट मैट फिनिश बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है उसका. सूखने में मैट टॉप कोट को वैसे भी थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, बट मैट फिनिश बहुत जल्दी दे देता है. द ओनली कॉन आई वुड से इज कि इट्स अ लिटिल हार्ड टू गेट नाउ डे सिंस दिस पेंडेमिक हैपेंड. बहुत सी चीज़ें मिलना थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट सा हो गया है. बट इफ़ यू कैन गेट योर हैंड्स ऑन इट, ऑन इफ यू आर यूजिंग इट, हैज़ माई अप्रूवल. इट्स अ गुड मैट टॉप कोट. Moving on to the second one that I used was from Jacqueline USA. That's their matte stroke mattifying top coat, if I'm not wrong. It retailed for like 225 rupees and you can still get it on Flipkart and Myntra. Yes, you can get it on Myntra if you're looking for it now. Again, it's a good matte top coat, gives a good matte finish. Then it has a good wide flat brush, so it's easier to apply. Again, it dries pretty quickly to give that matte finish, and price point is also pretty good. And it's also available also, so I don't have any cons for this one also. If you want to go for a good matte top coat, you can definitely check out the Jacqueline one. Actually, New You के walk-in stores पे भी available होना चाहिए. If you can't get it online, just check out your nearby New You का store. Talking about the third matte top coat that I'm currently using and will repurchase is from again Birom. Their matte top coat, I love it. I have a full review of it on my Instagram. I'll link that down below also, so you can check that out. It is a good matte top coat. Like it gives you a beautiful satin matte finish. Then the wide flat brush with a rounded tip is again a plus. It dries fairly quickly to give you that matte shine. Its price point is awesome. It's just for $199. It's easily available. So I don't have any cons for this one also. So when it comes to matte top coat, इन तीनों में से जो भी easily available हो जाए तुम लोग को, you can go ahead and buy it. इनमें से कोई भी खराब matte top coat नहीं. Alright guys, now we are on to the last category of top coats, that is gel top coats. Now gels have like recently made a place, a important place in my life. Like बहुत टाइम से, बहुत सालों तक मैंने जेल यूज़ नहीं किया और आई वॉज फाइन विथ इट बिकॉज मुझे ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ी. बट सिंस दिस पेंडेमिक हैपेंड आई एम मोर relying on gel top coats rather than normal top coats. I'll tell you the reason. Gel top coats के साथ the biggest factor is that they are no smudge. Like if you apply it on your designs you're stamping now, it won't get smudged. And since I don't have no smudge top coats with me, this is the only source of no smudging that I can think of. So that's why I'm relying so much on gel top coats these days. I did a whole video on how you can stop your stamping from smudging without using gel. So if you have not seen that yet, I'll link it up in the cards also in the description box below. You can check that out. But for me particularly, sometimes I'm in a real hurry and I cannot afford to use those methods. So again, I'll switch back to gels for the particular design. Anyways, that's the whole conversation for another day. Talking about gel top coats, till now I have used 4 gel top coats. Talking about the first gel top coat that is on the worst side is from Rosalind. Now I believe formulation में as such कोई problem नहीं होगी because Rosalind products are great, but we'll talk about it, okay? So it retails for 225 rupees and it's available on Nail Art Nail Fiesta, my go-to nail art store. I'll mention the link down in the description box below. Talking about the pros, like it's no wipe. It has a wide flat brush. It cures under a minute and it gives a good shine. It's available easily. Price point is good. Okay, I have 6 pros for this. I didn't realize that. Okay. The only con, or maybe I got a bad bottle, it's not a con generally, but it got thickened up over time. Like it got to a consistency that it is almost like a builder gel. So how can you apply like builder gel sort of consistency top coat over your design? It's pretty hard, right? वो cure भी नहीं होता फिर सही से. So that's the only problem I have. Again, as I said कि ये हो सकता है मुझे कोई bad batch मिला हो, इसलिए ऐसा हो गया हो, या मैंने उसको कहीं खुले में छोड़ दिया हो, which is highly unlikely. But that's the only con I have with this top coat. So that's the only reason I've stopped using this top coat. I still have it, but it's just lying there because I cannot help it. If you have any way that I can like smooth it out, थोड़ा सा पतला कर सकती हूँ मैं उसको जेल टॉप कोट को, क्योंकि नॉर्मल पॉलिशेस में तो थिनर डाल दो हो जाता है ठीक, पर अगर जेल को करने का कोई तरीका है, लेट मी नो इन द comments down below because it's just going to waste for me. So if I can reuse it, then that will be a good thing, right? So that's the first gel top coat that I've used. The second gel top coat that I ever used was from Elite 99. Now it retails for 350 rupees and again it's available on Nail Art Nail Fiesta. It's no wipe. It has got a good white flat brush. It cures under a minute. It gives a good shine. Price point ठीक ठीक है. It's easily available. Now when it comes to cons, मुझे price point थोड़ा सा steep लगा, but maybe gel polishes होती होंगी इतनी महंगी. The only con is, and that's the only reason I stopped using it, ये ना टिप से थोड़ा सा shrink हो जाता है. Just the top coat, okay, not your design, just the top coat. मतलब 2-4 दिन बाद if you have applied it, gel को तो intact रहना चाहिए ना, बट ये टिप से वियर ऑफ होने लगता है. ओनली द टॉप कोट, नॉट द अंडरनीथ का डिज़ाइन. ओके, सो दैट्स द ओनली रीज़न आई स्टॉप्ड यूजिंग इट. और एक्चुअली आई फिनिश्ड इट ओवर द फेक नेल्स आई यूज टू अप्लाई ऑन माई नेल्स ना, तो मैंने उसमें उसको यूज़ करके ख़त्म कर दिया. बट आई एम नॉट गोना रीपर्चेज इट. Talking about the third gel top coat, it is from Venalisa. It retails for 225 rupees and it was available on Nail Art Products Instagram shop again. So talking about this particular top coat, it is I'm using currently and I'm loving it. Okay, it is no wipe. It has a good white flat brush. It cures under a minute. It gives a good shine. The price point is awesome. It's easily available. So again, I have 6 pros for this. I have no cons for it. So if you're looking for a good top coat, then my recommendation will be Venalisa. Go for it. Close your eyes and just go for it. Okay, so it's that good. Now the last top coat that I'm gonna be telling you in gel category is from Born Pretty ka No Wipe top coat. Like it is as good as Venalisa, actually a bit more good when it comes to Venalisa. If I have choice, I'll pick this one over Venalisa. I'll tell you why. Now it retails for 275 rupees and I'm not sure where it's available. If I can find it, I'll link it down in the description. So it is no wipe. It has a good wide flat brush. It cures under a minute. It gives a good shine. The price point is amazing. The only con is availability. Venalisa थोड़ा सा tricky हो सकता है, वो थोड़ा सा slightly thick है इससे. So I'll definitely suggest to go for Born Pretty if you can over Venalisa. Now talking about a subcategory when it comes to gels is matte gel top coats. Yes guys, there is something called matte gel top coats as well. Now till now I've used only 2. The first one is Born Pretty ka matte top coat, which I got as a giveaway prize from Born Pretty. It's absolute crap. I don't like it. I still have it with me. I don't use it. It gives such a bad matte finish that my nails look almost dead. Okay, इतना गंदा matte finish है इसका और बहुत streaky सा है. So I don't like it at all. I won't suggest. मैं price point भी नहीं दूंगी, मैं pros cons कुछ नहीं बताऊंगी. Just don't buy it. It's a crap product. So the only matte gel top coat that I'm currently using and sort of loving, actually मैं बहुत जेल मैट यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ. मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैट टॉप कोट यूज़ करने तो नॉर्मल वाला कर लो. But that is from Shills. It retails for 250 rupees only. सो अगेन लाइक इट हैज़ अ गुड मैट फिनिश यू कैन से. मुझे लगता है थोड़ा सा स्ट्रिकी है, बट मे बी पॉसिबल है कि मुझे अप्लाई करना नहीं आता वो मैट जेल्स. सो अगेन इट गिव्स अ गुड मैट फिनिश. प्राइस पॉइंट भी अच्छा है, ब्रश भी बहुत सुंदर है, अवेलेबिलिटी भी है, और within a minute it cures like under UV lamp. So I don't have any as such cons for it. Maybe I have to practice it a little bit to apply matte gels, but other than that it's a good matte gel top coat if you're looking for one. All right you guys, so this was all about top coats. मुझे नहीं समझ में आया कि मैंने कितना अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया होगा, but I tried my best to give you all the information regarding all the categories of top coats. Like if you have any questions, any comments, any suggestions, comment box is all yours. Plus if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell to stay notified for new content, and as I always say, maintain social distancing, stay safe, be kind to the animals around you, get vaccinated, keep yourself hydrated, and yeah, I'll catch you in my next one. Bye bye.